How to fix BSOD video memory management internal error in Windows 11. Hello friends, this is the topic of discussion today. Follow the steps in the video to fix this issue. The first method is update graphics driver. Right click on Start, select Device Manager, maximize the window, look for Display Adapters and expand this category. Right click on the graphics and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. You can get the result the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close the window, close this device manager and restart your computer. If it still occurs, then this time again come to device manager, display adapters and right click on the graphics card. Again select update driver. This time select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the latest version of the graphics driver and click on next. The screen would have flickered for a moment. Click on close. Close the device manager and restart your computer. If the issue still persists, run system files checker. For this, click on search, type cmd for command prompt, click on run as administrator. On the command prompt, type sfc /scan now. Remember, here is double N, SCANNOW. Press enter. Let the process 100% complete. Once 100% completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. After restarting, check if the blue screen BSOD is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then perform system restore. Click on search, type restore. Click on create a restore point. Click on system restore. Click on next. Over here, you can find multiple restore points. Look for the date and time previous to the starting of BSOD, memory management internal. Once found, select the point and click on next. Click on finish. Click on yes. The process will take some more time, so wait patiently. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.